Hi and welcome back to the 28-day knitting challenge. Today is day 26 and we're diving into the magic loop middle. This is a fantastic way to knit like small tubes, like socks, mittens, and even sleeves using a long circular needle. If you don't like the double point needles, this technique is just a game changer. Now let's get started. Magic loop is a technique that lets you knit small tubes on a long circular needle instead of using like double pointed needles or a needle for small circumferences. This is great for avoiding ladders and works with any circumference and means fewer needles to manage. Now, first cast on the required number of stitches, but you don't join in the round. Instead, you slide the first stitches down into the needle. Find the middle of your stitches and gently pull the cable through, splitting your stitches in two groups. This gives you two sets of stitches sitting either side of the loop. Next, you slide the front set of stitches into the left needle tip and make sure the cast-on edge isn't twisted. Now you hold both needle tips in your left hand and pull the right needle upward, so the stitches slide into the cable. This frees up the right needle to start knitting. You loop the cable around and you knit the first stitches firmly to join in the round. Then continue knitting across the first half of your stitches. When you have reached the first half, the left needle is empty. Now here's the magic part. You turn, pull the cable backward through the stitches so they slide onto the left needle. And then you repeat, you pull the right needle out and knit the rest, the next half of the stitches. And that's how you keep going. You're knitting a seamless small tube on a circular needle. There are no extra needles required. Magic loop is a game changer for like socks, sleeves, and mittens. Give it a try and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer magic loop or double point needles? I love to hear your thoughts. Now don't forget to like and subscribe and see you tomorrow. Happy knitting!